Welcome back to the channel. So on a racing trip to Thredbo, we were blown away with the new green trail there called Sidewinder. It was so good, I thought it was worth its own video. So here it is.
That was sick, dude. Right, let's do this. Oh, you goey. Oh, yes. Oi. Oh. Woo! Oh yes. Yeah, dude. Woo! It's a bit pedally, that top bit. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh, damn. Sidewinder. So this is Sidewinder. And this is the newest trail. Oh yeah! Here at Thredbo. It's a green, but it's still heat sick. Whoa! That was sick. Woo! Yes! Oh yes. Thanks, mate. Here's one more. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice through here. Through all the snow gums. Oh, and the mist is sick. Woo! Oh, she's a bit slick there. Oh man, the legs. Whew. Yes. Dude. Oi. Woo. Oh god. This is fast. Woo. Oi. Righto. Thank you, dude. Oh mate, that was sick. Yeah, okay, go. Oh, whoa. That wasn't pleasant. Oh, that was a good line. Yes, Tommy. Woo! Yeah. Hey. Oh, dude. Oh. Oh, you're good, mate. Oh, this is so sick. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Yeah, dude, that was so good. You look at that pad and you sort of want to hit it.
Yeah, look down that little bit.
Oh, that was sick, dude.